Isang dulu tak.
Oke,
Asam ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ahmad Yusuf, a tutor, and we will continue our online learning because we are still encouraged to study at home by government regulation. Before that, I want to ask something. How are you, students?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. How to Farnabila?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
Oh, okay. I hope all is well and healthy. Our lesson today about procedure text. Before we going to the material, I want to absent you before. Raden Ajeng.
Yes, I am, sir.
Okay, thank you. And Farnabila.
Yes, sir. Hadir.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to procedure text. Di sini ada yang tahu tentang procedure text?
Saya tidak tahu, sir.
Tahu, sir. Apa itu prosedur?
Oh, oke. Sebagai contoh, mari kita lanjut. Okay, this is introduction for procedure text. Have you ever made a dish or look at the recipe? Or have you ever done something based on a manual book? If you have done this before, then a text that you read or a direction you hear is a procedure text. Jadi procedure text itu semacam buku petunjuk atau buku panduan yang biasanya ada di kayak suatu barang elektronik ataupun buku resep masakan ibu-ibu kalian. That's it.
Oh iya.
Do you understand?
Sir, apakah itu harus berupa buku, berbentuk buku?
Oh no. Kan udah zamannya teknologi berkembang, jadi kebanyakan buku udah jarang juga. Jadi kebanyakan dari video tutorial, like something.
Oke, sir.
Okay. Then I next.
Yes.
Okay, this is the definition. What is a procedure text? Text is text that contains commands or steps in doing something. In other words, procedure text is designed to give an idea of how something is done in sequential steps. Jadi prosedur teks itu merupakan suatu teks yang berisi tentang langkah-langkah dalam melakukan sesuatu ataupun membuat sesuatu. Apakah dari sampai sini paham?
Paham, sir.
Paham sekali semua ya. Oke, lanjut. Okay, now I have a video example of how procedure text is applied in making something. Wait. This is
real easy, real basic. I've got right here 1 cup of flour, throw that right in there. Got 3/4 cups of milk, throw that in. I've got 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Just gonna pour that right in there. 2 tablespoons of sugar, about a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg. Crack. And then I've got zest from 1 lemon. We're just gonna zest that away. And then you're just gonna whisk away, stir that in. And then I've got some maple syrup. We're just gonna pour that in. Say about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We are just going to whisk that up. Let it cook for about 10 seconds on each side, and you're ready to serve them up. And so quick plating, throw that on there. We've got our peanut butter maple syrup right here. We're just gonna drizzle that right on top. Right here. Start your day off just right for breakfast.
Oke. Mari kita lanjutkan. Okay, this is the generic structure of procedure text. Number 1 is the aim or goal. This aim is the goal of the procedure text, usually in the form of a title or description of what will be made or done. Number 2 is materials, contains the materials needed to perform stage of a procedure text. Number 3, steps. The step section contains a series of steps to take in a sequence. The steps must be taken so that the goal stated in the aim or goal section can be achieved. And the 4 is result. The results of the steps that have been done in the procedure text. Oke, yang pertama adalah tentang tujuan atau maksud dari procedure text itu adalah dilihat dari judulnya, biasanya diawali dengan how to make, how to use, like that. And the materials is something like that, ingredients and anything to make something. And number 3 is the step. The step is tentang langkah-langkah bagaimana suatu hasil itu terjadi. And yang terakhir adalah hasil. Hasil adalah langkah-langkah yang telah dibuat dari berbagai material itu dan menjadilah hasil. Sampai sini ada yang paham?
Sudah, Sir, paham.
Paham.
Okay. Very good. Great. And next is types of procedure text. Number 1, procedure text that describes how to operate or use something. For example, how to use a camera, how to use a rice cooker. Number 2, procedure text that provides instructions for carrying out certain activities. For example, like safety rules and video game rules. And number 3, procedure text relate to tips for living life. For example, how to be successful in life, how to make yourself happy. Jadi tipe-tipe procedure text itu tidak hanya tentang how to make, how to use melalui makanan, jadi bisa dari sebuah instruksi ataupun motivasi-motivasi bagaimana kebahagiaan itu dapat bicara. Jadi sampai sini ada yang bertanya?
Sir, apakah cuma hanya ada 3 tipe prosedur text?
Sejauh ini yang paling relevan hanya ada 3. That's it. Oke, lanjut.
Oke, Sir.
This characteristic of procedure text. The first is using the simple present tense, and then using the imperative sentence. For example, add 2 spoons, cook with low heat, blend the spice, and etc. And number 3, using the verb action. Example, add, put, turn. And then using numbering. Example, the first, second, the third, finally. The next is using conjunctions. Conjunctions, example like next, then, while. And the last is using adverbs to clarify the stages that are faced. Example, correctly, carefully, slowly for 2 minutes, and etc. For example, how to make mango juice. The ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, and a few ice cups. And the steps: the first, wash the mangoes to remove any dirt, then peel the ripe mangoes. And number 2, cut the peeled mangoes into small pieces. 3, put them in a blender together with crushed ice, water, and sugar. The fourth is blend until smooth. And next, the 5, run the blended mixture through a sieve. And the 6, throw away the leftover pulp and mango fibers. And the last is serve the juice in glasses with a piece of mango attached to the side for garnish. And the last is how to turn on computer. Okay, the first, prepare the computer cable that will be used. The second, plug the computer cable into the wall socket. The third, then press the power on button on the computer. The fourth, after that, log in your Windows account on the main screen, enter the computer. The finally, and you can use the computer for your day activities. And that's it. Any question?
Sir, apakah ingredients dengan materials itu sama?
Ingredients and materials is different atau berbeda. Jadi ingredients itu seperti lebih seperti ke bahan-bahan masakan, minuman. Kalau materials itu tentang kayak seperti benda-benda yang sebagai medianya untuk membuat sesuatu itu. Seperti piring, sendok, kabel, itu material. Palu, that's it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, I think this is enough. This learning about process text this time. I hope you can understand what I say and can apply the process text in daily life for your assignment. Yeah, I will give you assignment for the process text. You can
Yes, sir.
you can you can make assignment what you like and enjoy it. Don't stress because the pandemic is very dangerous and very terrible and and I hope you very well and healthy in every time in your life.
Yes, sir.
Sure, thanks.
Okay,
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.